How to upload high quality stories on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can upload high quality stories on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To upload high quality stories on Instagram, simply open up the Instagram app and you will see this type of interface. Now there are a couple of settings that we want to actually customize, so simply come to your profile page, then wait for the app to load up. Then you'll find the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen, right? So let's just let the option to load up. Then from there you want to simply go to the option called data or anything like that, right? So if you have turned on data saver, go to data usage and media quality, select this option called upload at highest quality. So when you select upload at highest quality, even if internet is quite slow, you will be able to upload your picture and your stories directly in very high quality, as you will be able to find over here, and you'll directly be able to share them and simply share them to your Instagram profile. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then upload high quality stories on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.